My real name is Nauman. Nauman. Know me, come on. Come on, know me. I said, I'm Nauman.
Hello and welcome everyone in our YouTube channel Sudhir Creations. You have already seen the preview video. This type of video is too much viral and trending in TikTok nowadays. So in this topic, I want to teach you how to make this type of trending video. You have to watch this video until the end so that you can learn it very much easily. Let's move on to our topic. If you are new in my channel, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You can like this video. You have to open CapCut from your smartphone. Open CapCut. Then you have to go in new project plus. You have to click here. You have to select one photo that you want to make. Select one photo and you have to click on add. You have to extend this video length up to 10 seconds. Okay, up to 10 seconds you have to make, yes. And come on to the previous point. Sorry, you have to delete this ending. You have to delete now or you have to delete in last. Now you have to click in text T. You have to click here add text. Okay, add text. You have to type my real name is yes, I have written in this type. You have to write your name. Okay, I have written Sagar. You have to click here and you have to go here text to speech. Yes, text to speech. Here you have to select cute boy voice. Cute boy. Okay, and you have to click here this tick mark, generating text to speech. You have to make this orange color name until this blue color this audio. Okay, this blue color audio up to here. Yes, then you have to slide slowly here. Then you have to again add text here. Okay, you have to text your teaching name or another name which you want to make in that type of video. Okay, oh, I have used here Sagar. You can also look here in this side, Sagar. Okay, and you have to do text to speech again. This cute boy. Okay, up to here. Okay, this is our audio part up to here, this voice audio part. Okay, up to here we have to make, and then split, and I have to delete this. Again we have to add text, and you have to type and everybody calls me, and everybody calls me. What name you have to you are willing to put. Okay, put that your name. I have put here this type of name. Okay, to tick mark. Again text to speech, cute boy. Tick. You have to use two fingers to zoom out. Okay, you have to show your text. Then you have to press tick mark. Again you have to trim this text part. Okay, until this audio in. Split, delete. Okay, in this way you have to make all the words that you have seen here. This type of my name is this and everyone calls. You have to type like that up to the end, and you have to do all this, and you have to press here in the up button, this up arrow, and this video is going to export in gallery, and direct it is also you can share to TikTok. And next and this in this type you have to post your video. Okay, thanks for watching.